And we're moving on to global update. Lebanon's continuing economic crisis has created a fuel shortage, aiding extended power cuts to the miseries of Lebanese. Meanwhile, World Health Organization has called on wealthy countries with large supplies of coronavirus vaccines to refrain from offering booster shots through the end of the year. And more stories on today's International Minute. Lebanon's continuing economic crisis has created a fuel shortage, adding extended power cuts to the miseries of Lebanese, already dealing with skyrocketing inflation and shortage of other basic goods. While experts have said a proposal recently put forth by the U.S. ambassador to revive a transnational gas pipeline running from Egypt to Lebanon could help alleviate the problem. It is far from a long-term solution for the country's continuing failure to generate sufficient electricity. The summer that was supposed to mark America's independence from COVID-19 is instead drawing to a close with the U.S. more firmly under the tyranny of the virus, with deaths per day back up to where they were in March. The Delta variant is filling hospitals, sickening alarming numbers of children, and driving coronavirus deaths in some places to the highest levels of the entire pandemic. School systems that reopen their classrooms are abruptly switching back to remote learning because of outbreaks. The head of the World Health Organization has called on wealthy countries with large supplies of coronavirus vaccines to refrain from offering booster shots through the end of the year, expanding an earlier request that has been largely ignored. WHO Director General Tedros Adhanom Ghebreyesus also said he was appalled at comments by a leading association of pharmaceutical manufacturers a day earlier, who said vaccine supplies are high enough to allow for both booster shots and vaccinations in countries in dire need of jabs but facing shortage. Bill Gates' investment firm will pay Saudi billionaire Prince Al Walid bin Talal $2.2 billion to raise its stake in Four Seasons Holding. Cascade Investment will buy a 23.75% stake from Kingdom Holding, giving the business a $10 billion enterprise value.